Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect Hotjar on Shopify store. So guys, follow me on the steps and let's get started. First step guys, you need to do, you should be install your tracking code on Hotjar website. This is tracking code. You can install this code, and then you should be choose the installations method. You have manual and click add the code manually. After that guys, copy this code as you can see here on the screen, and after that all you have to do guys, choose the manual, install code, and visit your Shopify dashboard and go to theme as you can see here, and click action and click edit code and go to online store. For example here, online store, and go to theme guys. You should be see this theme option and click edit code, and then go to theme liquid, and step 8 click on head, and from here you can edit and paste your code from here as you can see here. After that, go to theme and go to checkout, and from checkout guys, all you have to do is scroll down and closing the tag from here, and go post your Hotjar tracking code from head, from this option head, from this here guys option as you can see here. After that guys, all you have to do, you should be install your Hotjar on your Shopify order stage page. So guys, go to checkout, and from here click on additional script, copy your tracking code, go to theme and go to checkout, and from checkout copy your code and click save option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.